My name is Jim Clark. I'm the owner of CATCON out of Charleston, South Carolina. I've been in the construction industry for approximately 50 years, 35 of that being insurance reconstruction work. We're licensed in approximately 22 states around the country. We perform mostly multifamily work, reconstruction work, with a large base of property management clients we work for. So we were an unusual niche to find a buyer to purchase us. And again, RBA was good in the fact that they understood the complexity of our company and what we were looking for. I had a family business. I had my daughter, my nephew involved in it. So I was really wanting to continue my business even after I left. So it was important to find somebody that would make it a smooth transition from me completely out of it to other family members still being involved, but a large national company buying us. So that was something that RBA was key, and it was critical for me to make that happen. So I was lucky enough to find Restoration Brokers of America, or RBA, early on in my Google search. And again, it was it's one of those things where you just happen to call the right person. And Gokul and I spoke initially. It was a brief call, and then after that, one of the people in my office reached back out to him and put him through a pretty thorough vetting. And at the end of it, he came out okay, so we used him. So it couldn't have been a better fit for us. RBA was the right choice for us because of their ability to, again, present us to the right buyers, set a very accurate valuation of our company. And again, I think one of the good things about them was that they were working with us throughout the process. They were there prepping us for any meetings we had with the potential buyer, advising us what to present to the buyer, the order to present it to them. He's very knowledgeable about those aspects of it. And without having a company like that, we'd have just been shooting in the dark. I think one of the other pluses utilizing RBA was the fact that there were no upfront costs. That's always a concern when you're a business owner, and our sale ran from 10 to 12 months that I paid no money up front. Gokul incurred all the costs as far as the valuation of the company. Any expenses during that time he handled. We only paid at the end once my company sold and the buyer issued a check. That's when he was paid. As far as recommending the sale of the company, I would highly recommend going through RBA. I probably, like most owners out there, felt like I was an expert in everything. And guess what? You're not. This is something that I could have left a ton of money on the table, and it would have hurt me financially. I know everybody's hesitant to pay a commission for selling that company, but the commission was more than covered by the valuation that was done, the services that RBA provided. I would never, after doing this once last time, I would never do this by myself without some support from RBA.